Yeah, so I'm from Nottingham. I'm currently not working, so I'm changing my chapter, going to a new chapter. Decided that that was the best thing for me. Just wanted to reset myself. I've done a lot of research, gut health, just everything to help me, because I've been in this black cloud for quite a while, a couple of years now, and it's just taken its toll recently. So it's like, right, I've got to do something for myself. And I ended up finding so much more out than I realised. Gut health is just so important. Food, hormone levels, just everything. So I'm equipped with what I need to do now. But coming here, I just knew that it was something to help me reset and to grieve the old Nina and start the new Nina. And God, am I ready to smash it. I'm a bit scared of leaving here, because this has helped me become that Nina that I think they thought that I had a bit of a resting bitch face when I first joined, because I was just so insular and the old Nina. But coming here, it's just turned me into something that I'm just really proud of. That I'm in control, that I'm not going to let it get to me, I'm not going to let it define me. And I feel positive. I just hope then I can, what tools I've learned here I can do on the outside. But I'm pretty confident. It's just that anxiety now of going into the wide world. But I feel so ready. This has been amazing here this week. I saw one of your podcasts about the menopause camp, and straight away I warmed to PAULA. She is just the most amazing person, the most positive person, and I just needed to be on this menopause camp. So we've been interacting, and we decided, right, let's do this together. So I was more than ready. I was just at that right junction where it was like, right, I need to do something about it. And I could just see her positive aura before I'd even met her. So then I arrived, and PAULA was the one that introduced herself, and just felt like family straight away. She's so, her aura is amazing. She's so inviting. She's so comfortable. Just feels like family straight away. Then you've got the manor, which is absolutely amazing, and it just feels like it welcomes us all in. The feeling of this place, the location, how you've set it up, how the surroundings are just so lovely. It just made me feel so comfortable and privileged to be here. The grounds, there's about 4 or 5 acres of grounds. It's just a retreat as well as the boot camp, so the location was perfect for me. Joined in, I think there's 14 ladies in total, and I was a little bit standoffish to start with, but I think that was just with me and my past circumstances. But we've become this sisterhood, and there are so many different ladies with different characters, with different backgrounds, but we're all aligned, and we've all come on this journey together, and I feel like it's a family, and we've just got that love, camaraderie, and there's a couple of the young ones that I feel very motherly towards, and I want to make sure that they're okay and that they smash it, because I think some of them are on a longer term here, but I just want the best for everybody, and that's what they've all done. So this sisterhood has just been amazing for me. I've enjoyed every single thing. I think I went into withdrawal on Tuesday and everything felt more difficult, but I didn't stop. I worked through it, and I got the confidence and the trust from the trainers that I was like, what do I do here? And they just said, work through it, we'll be there for you, whatever you need. And I got through it. I was really surprised because I was so lethargic, but I wanted to smash every day, and I don't feel like I did, but it was a success for me. And every day I've just wanted to smash it, because I know that what it's doing is only good. And it's been painful, You're not going to come here and go on a spa day. It's tough, but that's what we come here for. The food, surprisingly, I haven't felt that hungry. So I think the portions have been generous and obviously the calorie counted. But the food's been absolutely delicious, and I'll be taking the cookbook home so that I can continue that for me and my family when we get back. Because what's the point in going on carbs, and what's the point in just going backwards when so it's just a different, comfortable way of life that I know that it's going to be a success for me and not where I was before. I would say there's so many to choose from, but I think when I have struggled, the support I've got from the trainers, and support maybe like, come on, let's get it done, or kick up the arse, or just something. They've always had our backs and they're always checking everybody out. And I may have slacked off at one point, which would have frustrated me if I had slacked off, but just the whole support from the trainers has been amazing and it's kept me going. In fact, I've done probably more than I thought I'd be able to. So there's been times where I've picked up weights, but I've picked up heavier weights, thinking I'm just some crazy person, but I did it, I got through it, and the success of that, I'm proper proud of myself for that. Second one, it's more of a motherly instinct, so it's probably not for myself, but it was for others. And I just wanted to make sure that they were all okay, because there have been withdrawals at times, but they've gritted the teeth, they've got through it, and we've supported them all the way through. And I feel very proud, and so do they, for getting through it. So it's been tough, but it's been so rewarding. Just go, because it's the best thing you could do. I've got a lot of friends who are interested because they're all at my age, and the feedback I'm going to give them and what I've gone through, it'll be a case of you won't look back. So if you have got concerns of where you are currently, this is only going to help you. I don't think, unless you're really committed and going into all the researches, I still don't think then you'll be able to be where I am now. So I think I'm a success story, and time will tell when I get out of here. But I'm just this different person, and I think I'm an advocate of Menopause Teen Bootcamp, and I'm just a cheerleader for it.